Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to an episode of Train Conductor's World. Last time I've connected Stuttgart with all these cities on this side, now it's time to go over to Paris. Connected! Unfortunately, Paris did not connect with the port, but I don't think... Okay, there's some clouds cleared. So there's some way over here that I can connect, but I'm probably not going to be over there, all the way over there. We're going to connect down this way to connect hopefully a turning spot that I can connect with Ditchin. At least a port, you know. And then here we got a contraption thing over there that I can connect Leon with Ditchin, and also goes down this way. But I think I'm just gonna put this one over here because I think I can do it that way better. Now it's time to do Paris. Paris is actually very cool because there's actually a gyratory turn, basically. It's a map with a gyratory turn, and then basically you need to send them to different directions. It's a big gyratory turn in the middle. Welcome to Paris, a hometown to be proud of. Connect with one swipe or two, up to you. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta restart that because you actually make me lose a star. Are you serious? So you can go whichever direction you want. You can go like that way. You can go. Just need to according to the numbers. Oh gosh, that was not correct. You just need to go across the numbers. It's kind of stupid because it doesn't really matter where you go. You just need to, but you cannot turn too fast. You can actually send them back to the exact same direction. It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do it actually. It's gonna do something stupid. I'm gonna send them back to the exact same direction. Get that guy in. Get back there. Get back to the exact same direction. Go back to where you're from. That's why Paris is actually a lot of fun because there's actually a lot of ways you can actually connect to things. Instead of actually you have to go to that way. You can just choose whatever way you want. Oh, 300 points. We got our first star. Perfect. The normal star. Got it. This one's easy because it's normal difficulty. 150? Wow. Let's claim our box. Wooden track, okay. Let's see where I can put wooden track. I'm just gonna put it right there. Later on we can combine them both. I think this way I can just do it there. Connect down to Leon. Over this way, I don't think I'm gonna expand too much on this side yet. I want to actually focus on this side, maybe connect all these things down here. Alright, all of the missions are done. Now solve the stars. On to number 2, hard. Okay, this is frustrating. Get out of there. Woo! Ah, whatever. Go. Just go. Go that way. Unfortunately, there's a train coming in, so let's not go that way. Just go. Let's not go that way because there's a train coming in. So that's why you can see, if there's a train coming in on the path that you actually want to go, you can actually just redirect it to somewhere else. That's why I like Paris. You see, right there, there's a train coming in, so let's not go there. Oh, we're screwed here. Huh. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. No, you go there. Actually, I sent the wrong train to the wrong side. That's so stupid. Actually, you just go here. Pop that balloon. Are you serious? I didn't pop the balloon? You gotta be kidding me. That didn't pop the balloon. I have a way to pop that balloon. You go this way and go up that way. Stop. Be careful. Didn't mean to stop fully, though. Thank you. At least pop that balloon. Seriously. Careful here. Have to go across by this one now. Go to that one. Go to this one. Oh, why the hell you went the long way around? I definitely draw you back down the other way. Why you draw the long way around? At least we got it perfect. Perfect! I cannot skip it apparently when I first time collect the stars. We got our cargo. Let's see what it is. Another wooden track, okay. Wooden track. There's no point of connect Bruges with that one. I just connect with London for Bruges. So here you can connect downwards. Not that. Damn it. Here, safe. Alright, we're on to our Chaos Star. Hopefully it's not gonna be that hard. Same track, go the same direction. This one needs to stop for just a little bit. Here's the part where it's actually kind of unrealistic. There should be a direct path they actually do need the trains to go, but apparently I just need to draw them randomly. Oh, that was close. Let's stop it a little bit. Same way, just go the same direction. Everyone just go over there. Go here as well. Might crash. You go here. You go there. You follow. This guy need to hold for a while. Let's at least get him in there for now. Go here. Oh, unfortunately, we looked the wrong way. Oh, I lost a star. That sucks. The last train, I lost the star. Everyone follow. Follow the direction. Go. You can make it. I should just go here. What's the point? Go down there, because train's coming out from there, so let's not go over there. Follow. Go. Go! Might crash. Go here. Go there. Everyone follow the track. It's just... Oh, lost a star. Okay. Okay, Chaos is kind of hard because I keep losing stars. Everyone go to the same spot. Why is it so slow? Same spot. Train coming though. Just need to go long. Go! Get out of there. No, go this way. What the hell? Go! Did I lose a star? That was close. I thought I lose a star there. Don't go that way. Whatever. It's fine. Oh, get out of there. Oh. Okay. So far, Chaos is a little bit frustrating, but let's try to do a little bit better. Get him in there for now, later on direct you. Because he can just actually keep looping in the middle. It doesn't even actually need to slow down. He just keeps looping in the middle. It's not required to deliver the trains like immediately. You just actually have to keep him moving. So that's why you just don't stop the trains. Just keep them moving. Then you will not lose the star. You actually keep them moving, they will never lose the star. Beat it! Woo! And we got our iron tile. That's a for sure iron tile, so... Oh, we can already build over there. Right there. So in the next episode, we'll try to figure out something else. Maybe do some random missions and maybe keep building down to, Milao. Huh. I need to connect Digin to clear the clouds, huh? I already connected 3 ports, so I can actually go over to London now, so... Next time, we're just gonna do some random missions, and we'll try our best to connect with, Digin, and maybe keep going down from there. See you guys next time. Peace!